Imagine having a team of experts working for you 24 hours a day. One writes your emails, another designs your graphics, one researches your competitors, another edits your videos, and another automates your daily tasks. The best part? Most of them are free to get started. In today's video, I'll show you 8 incredible AI tools every entrepreneur should know in 2026. Whether you're running a business, freelancing, creating content, managing clients, or just starting your entrepreneurial journey, these tools can help you work faster, smarter, and more professionally. Make sure you stay until the end, because tool number 8 can literally automate repetitive work while you focus on growing your business. Let's jump right in. AI tool number 1, Claude AI, your AI business assistant. If you regularly write emails, business proposals, contracts, meeting notes, or marketing content, Claude AI is an incredible assistant. Instead of spending hours writing from scratch, simply explain what you need, and Claude generates a professional draft within seconds. One thing I really like is how well it handles long documents. You can upload reports, PDFs, or meeting notes and ask Claude to summarize them or extract key action points. For entrepreneurs, that means less time reading and more time making decisions. Quick tutorial. Open Claude AI and create a free account. Once you're logged in, click on the chat box. Now type something like, write a professional business proposal for a digital marketing agency offering social media management services. Press enter. Within seconds, Claude generates a detailed proposal. You can then ask it to shorten the proposal, make it more persuasive, or rewrite it in a friendlier tone. That's the power of conversational AI. Perfect for entrepreneurs, consultants, business owners, students, content creators. It offers both free and paid plans. AI tool number 2, ChatGPT, your everyday AI partner. ChatGPT is one of the most versatile AI assistants available today. Need ideas? Need blog posts? Need marketing captions? Need coding help? Need customer support replies? It can help with all of those. Think of ChatGPT as an employee that's always available. Quick tutorial. Visit chatgpt.com. Sign in using your account. Let's say you're launching a coffee business. Type or paste. Generate 10 creative Instagram posts promoting a new coffee shop. Press enter. Almost instantly, ChatGPT creates engaging captions with marketing ideas. You can even ask it to rewrite them for Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, or YouTube. It saves entrepreneurs hours every week. Perfect for marketing, customer support, social media, brainstorming, business planning. It offers both free and paid plans. AI tool number 3, Perplexity AI. Research smarter. Imagine Google, but instead of searching through dozens of websites, you simply ask a question and receive a well-organized answer with sources. That's Perplexity AI. It's fantastic for entrepreneurs who need accurate research before making business decisions. Whether you're researching competitors, market trends, pricing, or customer behavior, Perplexity saves valuable time. Quick tutorial. Go to perplexity.ai. In the search box type, what are the biggest digital marketing trends in 2026? Press enter. Perplexity gathers information from multiple trusted sources and presents it in one organized answer. If you want more details, simply ask follow-up questions. It's like having a research assistant working for you all day. Perfect for market research, competitor analysis, learning new skills, business decisions. AI tool number 4, Canva AI professional designs without hiring a designer. Every entrepreneur needs graphics, logos, flyers, presentations, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, Facebook ads. Canva AI makes creating all of these incredibly easy, even if you've never designed anything before. Quick tutorial. Open canva.com. Click Create Design. Search for a YouTube thumbnail or Instagram post. Now use the AI tools by typing something like Modern Blue and Orange Technology Business Poster. Canva generates layouts you can customize with your own colors, images, and branding. You can also remove backgrounds, generate AI images, resize designs, and create presentations, all from the same platform. For entrepreneurs, this means professional branding without paying a designer for every small project. Perfect for small businesses, freelancers, YouTubers, online stores, entrepreneurs. Transition to part 2. Those first 4 tools can dramatically improve the way you write, research, and design your business content. But we're just getting started. In the next part, I'll show you AI tools that create professional presentations, organize your business, generate realistic voiceovers, edit videos with AI, and finally, the automation tool that every entrepreneur should have in their toolkit. Trust me, you don't want to miss tools 5 to 8. Part 2, Tools 5 to 8. Top 8 free AI tools every entrepreneur needs right now. AI tool number 5, Gamma. Create stunning presentations in minutes. Have you ever spent hours creating a business presentation or pitch deck? Gamma changes that completely. Instead of designing every slide manually, Gamma uses AI to create beautiful presentations, proposals, reports, and even mini websites in just a few minutes. Whether you're pitching investors, presenting to clients, or explaining your business idea, Gamma helps you look professional with very little effort. Quick tutorial. Open Gamma.app. Click Create New. Choose Generate with AI. Now type or paste a prompt like, create a professional pitch deck for a digital marketing agency targeting small businesses. Click Generate. Within seconds, Gamma creates an attractive presentation complete with layouts, icons, images, and organized content. You can edit every slide, change themes, add animations, and export it as a PDF or PowerPoint. It's one of the fastest presentation tools available today. Perfect for entrepreneurs, business owners, startup founders, sales professionals, students. AI tool number 6, Notion AI, your AI business workspace. Imagine keeping your notes, projects, business plans, meeting notes, task lists, and AI assistant, all in one place. That's exactly what Notion AI does. Instead of switching between 5 different apps, you can organize your entire business from one dashboard. Quick tutorial. Visit Notion.so. Create a free workspace. Start a new page called My Business Dashboard. Now click the AI option and ask, create a weekly business planner with daily tasks and marketing goals. Notion AI instantly generates a structured workspace. You can also summarize meeting notes, rewrite documents, brainstorm ideas, create project timelines, and organize your entire workflow. This tool is a huge productivity booster, perfect for entrepreneurs, teams, freelancers, project managers, students. AI tool number 7, ElevenLabs. Generate human-like AI voices. Need professional voiceovers, narration, audiobooks, advertisements, or YouTube videos. ElevenLabs creates incredibly realistic AI voices in multiple languages. Many people can't even tell they're listening to AI. Quick tutorial. Go to ElevenLabs.io. Create your free account. Click Text to Speech. Paste your script. Choose one of the realistic voices. Click Generate. Within seconds, you'll hear a natural-sounding voice reading your script.
We've now covered 8 incredibly useful AI tools that can help you write, design, organize, research, create presentations, generate voiceovers, and edit videos more efficiently.
That sounds super cool, right? You can also adjust the speed, emotion, and voice style depending on your project. This is an amazing tool for entrepreneurs creating product videos, training materials, podcasts, or promotional content. Perfect for YouTubers, businesses, podcast creators, marketing agencies, educators. AI tool number 8, Descript. Edit videos like editing a Word document. Editing videos can take hours. Descript makes it surprisingly easy. Instead of cutting clips manually on a timeline, Descript converts your video into text. When you delete a word, it removes that section from the video automatically. It's one of the smartest video editing workflows available. Quick tutorial. Visit Descript.com. Upload your video. Wait for the AI transcription. Now simply edit the text. Delete unnecessary words like at NattyTechInsights. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a life-changing tech. Or words like in your own videos. Or repeated sentences. The video updates automatically. You can also remove background noise, generate captions, improve audio quality, clone your voice, and create professional podcasts. For busy entrepreneurs creating online content, this can save hours every week. Perfect for YouTubers, coaches, podcasters, online businesses, content creators. We've now covered 8 incredibly useful AI tools that can help you write, design, organize, research, create presentations, generate voiceovers, and edit videos more efficiently. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which AI tool impressed you the most? Was it Claude AI, ChatGPT, Gamma, or maybe another favorite that I didn't mention? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you discover even one useful AI tool, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to Natty Tech Insights, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications because every week I share hidden websites, powerful AI tools, productivity tips, and technology that helps you work smarter, not harder. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep learning, keep building, keep growing. And remember, here at Natty Tech Insights, we turn the internet into your advantage. See you in the next video. Bye for now.